Hi everyone, my name is Nikunj Bajaj, an ex-machine learning tech lead at Facebook and a startup called Reflection. And today I'm going to talk about the traditional workflow of deploying machine learning models to production, which we all know is a lot more than data scientists building machine learning models and us getting all the big wins. Because it involves a complete process of working with data engineers, data scientists, machine learning engineers, and then a complete post-production pipeline, which again involves DevOps people, machine learning engineers, to deploy and monitor and retrain the ML models. If we want to look at the complete interaction of people along with the timeline, we can look at the following chart, where a traditional modeling requirement comes from a product manager or a business user who talk to the data scientist, who then confirms with the data engineer about the availability of the data or works with them to write new data pipelines. Then the data scientist would work on the feature engineering, build the machine learning model, and then try to get feedback from the business user on the model. After that, there's engineering work involved in terms of writing the server code, packaging the dependencies, where the data scientist works with the machine learning engineer, who then in turn works with the DevOps people to ask for the right infrastructure to deploy that machine learning model, who would give you stuff like Terraform with infrastructure as a code provisioned. After that, there's stuff like deployment, canary, shadow testing of the machine learning models, and then the engineer needs to work together with the business user and DevOps people to actually integrate the model to production. After that starts a post-production pipeline where the data scientist would again work with the machine learning engineer to come up with the right metrics that needs to be used to monitor the model. And after that, the machine learning engineer would write the instrumentation pipelines and then work with the DevOps people to set up the right monitoring dashboards, Grafana hosting, Prometheus hosting and stuff. And then the DevOps would continue to do a CI/CD pipeline so the model in this format can actually be maintained. This is a pretty complicated process that is followed today to deploy a single machine learning model to production, and often takes over multiple weeks to multiple months.